Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to record a quick video to show you how awesome and fun it is to use Beehiiv. What is Beehiiv? It is an email service provider, an email platform. You can use it to send out newsletters. Recently, I've been releasing some videos on how important it is to own your audience. Creating a newsletter and gathering subscribers is one way to do that. Now, this is my Beehiiv dashboard. It's a great looking interface. I can track my subscribers, exactly when they're signing up, how it's growing, how it's trending, open rate, click-through rate. When you scroll down, you can even see the traffic sources or the acquisition sources for those subscribers. Now, when it comes to writing a post, this is where it really gets fun. I'll click here on posts. I'll see a history of all the posts that I've written. If I want to duplicate one, which I will here, I'll just click duplicate, and that'll set me up to write my newsletter for the upcoming week. I do this weekly. Click on the draft. You can rename it, edit the post. And when you're in here, you can see it looks very similar to a WordPress interface. You can type, you can add text, you can add images, headers, all these things right within your newsletter. And then once you're ready to send it off, you can go ahead here to a review. You'll actually get a chance to preview it to see what the end user is going to receive before you send it. So it's really fun, it's really intuitive. And if you want to grow your audience, I definitely suggest using Beehiiv. There is a link below the video where you can sign up and create your free account. If you don't have a newsletter already, or even if you do, I'd suggest using it to really make the most of your audience. Thanks, and tune in next time.